And now for our jumbo spear. I've got a 360 that I haven't inflated all the way to the end. I've got a silver 260 that I've left about 3 inches uninflated, and then an uninflated silver 160. I'm going to take the silver that's uninflated and pull all the air out of it by just squeezing it between my fingers from the nipple to the nozzle so that it's flattened out. And I'm going to tie that off. Just like that. You can see it's nice and flat. Now we're going to take our silver 260. Switch this, we're going to need this in a minute. We're going to twist off about, that's about a 12 or 13 inch bubble. And then I'm going to twist a pinch twist on the end. And then I'm going to come down with about a 3 inch, about 4 finger wide bubble there roughly. And I'm going to put a pair of pinch twists at the end of that. And then I need to repeat that, so I'm going to have another bubble the same size as that one. Twist it into that pinch twist on the top. And then another bubble the same size as this long one. And any excess that I have we're going to remove. Just like that. Now we're going to take our 360. You're wondering, how on earth is that a spear? We're going to take the nozzle and twist it into the 2 pinch twists at the bottom here. Just like that. Now what we want to do is we're going to take our 2 end pieces that are sticking out, and we're going to pull these down along the side and lay them like that. And this is where our flat one comes in. We're going to take it, I'm going to lay it down here, and I'm just going to wrap that up around and use this to secure those in place by tying it around right there. Let's trim off the excess on that. And slide that down just a little bit there. And there, you get a giant head for your giant spear. Simple and effective.